Let's log in to the Concur Mobile App. Once you've downloaded it from your respective app store, we're going to select the SSO company code sign-in. This is a one-time initial sign-in to connect you to the CSU contract for this mobile application. We're going to enter our company code, and you can find this code in your Concur profile under mobile registration. We're going to click sign in with SSO. This should look familiar to you, so go ahead and select your campus. And then you will enter your normal credentials to log in. You're going to have to go through two-step verification with Duo. And once back in, you're going to see the different categories or classifications within this app. So trips is where it's going to have information about any trips that you have booked in the system or trip itineraries that you've sent to Concur to keep track of your travel transactions. Expenses is going to be any activity that might have fed from a travel credit card if you happen to have one, or any receipts that you've loaded thus far. Expense reports will have any expense reports that you are currently working on or maybe have recently submitted. Approvals is for any of you who might be approvers. You can use the mobile app to review submissions and approve through the app if that's of interest to you. The request category is going to store any travel requests that you might have in limbo or recently submitted. One of the main features of this mobile app that most find handy is the receipt capture. So if you would prefer to take pictures of your receipts instead of keeping them with you while you're in travel mode and potentially misplacing them, you can take a picture of your receipt by clicking the camera icon. Just make sure that whatever picture you take is legible, it's clear, it's good to go, has all the right components. Click done, and now you can see that that receipt has been added to the expense menu that I can later attach to a specific travel expense and then roll up to an expense report that I might be working on while I'm traveling. That is the basic functionality of the Concur mobile app.